Among the vast majority of plants that nature produces, there is one specific plant that nobody talks about, and it's pretty underappreciated. And today we are going to talk about that, and its name is Nunia Shak. In this video, we'll be exploring the untold story of Nunia Shak, its origin, its significance, and its place in the culinary and agricultural history of the world, and also how it harms our crops. Nunia Shak, which is also known as Portulaca oleracea, is a leafy spinach which we can eat, and the name Nunia comes from Nun, which refers to salt in different regions of South Asia. It has an amazing ability to grow in salty environments. Historically, it was included in staple diets of rural people, particularly in coastal regions of Bengal, Orissa, and mainly South Asian regions. This plant has been around for centuries now. It is rich in calcium, iron, vitamin A and C. It is a blessing for those people who have issues with food security due to poor soil condition. Nunia Shak is more than just a plant. It's a culinary treasure. From simple sorted greens to flavorful curries, it can be a lot of things. But its potential for being a superfood is largely undiscovered. Recent studies have highlighted that it's a potential superfood. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, and we need to bring it back to our diets, especially when we don't get that diversity of food that we need to sustain our health. But beneath its benefits lies a troubling reality. Its invasive nature threatens ecosystem, agriculture, and even human health. Nunia Shak spreads rapidly. It competes with crops for water, nutrients, and sunlight. While it provides food, it can also disrupt the farming operations. It grows anywhere and everywhere, damaging our crops, and it takes time and money to control it. Invasive species like Nunia Shak displaces the native species, and it harms the biodiversity and wildlife that depends on them. It's a threat to the ecosystem. Its dominance creates a long-term imbalance in the ecosystem. Though it's very nutritious, it can absorb the contamination from the contaminated soil, such as heavy metal. So if we consume them unchecked, it can be very dangerous for our health. Nunia Shak is both a blessing and a challenge. Its future depends on creating a balance in between, harnessing its benefits and managing its risks responsibly.